Alright, this is how simple this is to make. Just wrap it around, and it depends on how big your hand is for how big the puffball's gonna be. Just make sure you're not doing it around a cat, or they're gonna wanna get it. Her tail's going crazy right now. And about that much. Then you're gonna go ahead and cut it off. Then cut a section about twice as long as it. Slide it off your hand. Do a double knot. Be easier if I'd have just done it a little longer, but then you just take your scissors, cut through all of the loops. I'm just going to puff it all up and find any loose ones that you didn't cut. Cat toy. The end.